Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x equals 1. We are solving for all values of x that satisfies this equation. So we have 4 to the power of x, and we can easily express this as 2 to the power of 2, which is 4, and this is raised to the power of x, minus 2 to the power of x, and this equals 1. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n, this equals a power n raised to the power of n. So what we are going to do will be to apply this identity here. We have 2 power x raised to the power of 2 minus 2 power x equals 1. From here we can say let y equals 2 power x, meaning we are simply going to replace this with y and this with y. So you have y power 2 minus y equals 1. So to solve this quadratic equation, we move this over here. We have y squared minus y minus 1 equals 0. So let's solve this using the formula method. We have y equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. So from here, we have the coefficient of y squared here is 1. This is negative 1. And we have negative 1 here. So a is this coefficient of y squared, that is 1, based on this formula. B is negative 1. And c is negative 1. So from here, we have y equals negative b, that's negative times negative 1, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is negative 1 to the power of 2, minus 4 times 1 times negative 1, divided by 2 times 1. From here, we have y equals, this is 1, plus or minus square root of, this is 1, this is plus 4, divided by 2. So from here, we have y equals 1 plus or minus, this is square root of 5, divided by 2. Now what we can do is to recall this other identity, but before then, let's write down the two values for y. We have y equals 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, or we also have y equals 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. Now what is our y? From what we did earlier on, we said y equals to power x. So that means we have y equals to power x, meaning 2 power x equals the first equation, 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, and also our 2 power x equals the second solution, which is 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. Now look at this here. This 2 power x will give you positive value. This will also give you positive value. So we can actually make use of this. But for this other one here, this is positive, while this is negative. Why is it negative? Because this value here, square root of 5, is greater than 1. So this will give us some complex solutions if you want to solve. And to get the real value, we consider the first solution, which is 2 power x equals 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So at this particular point, we can apply log of log 2 power x equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Now, if you have log a to the power of b, this equals b times log a. So applying that here, you are going to have x times log 2 equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Also, log a divided by b equals log a minus log b. So these are the two identities we are going to apply. So we apply that here. This is x log 2 equals, this is log 1 plus root 5. Then we have minus log 2. Because this is our a, this is our b. Based on this identity. Have you seen that? So we can isolate this x by dividing this by log 2 and dividing this by log 2. So log 2 eliminates log 2. We have x equals log 1 plus root 5 minus log 2 divided by log 2. So we can also have x equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by log 2 minus log 2 divided by log 2. So from here, we have x equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by log 2 minus this, eliminate this, we have 1. I remember this other identity again. If you have log a divided by log b, this is just like writing log a to the base of b. So applying this identity right here, you can easily agree with me that our x equals log 1 plus root 5 to the base of 2 minus 1. Have you seen that? So this becomes our solution. X equals log 1 plus root 5 to the base of 2 minus 1. You can decide to insert that particular value back to this equation, and it's going to satisfy the equation. You can check having 4 power x minus 2 power x equals 1. I've done this before. You can just do it on your own. And x equals log 1 plus root 5 to the base of 2 minus 1. Right? That is our x. Oh yes, so do that and drop it on the comment box. Let's show if this will actually satisfy the equation if we are going to get one here. So that is it, guys. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.